In this tutorial, you are going to see how to add axis in the chart of Microsoft Excel and you can make it more creative. This is a raw chart actually, and I have make it like this and it's looking very beautiful. So what is the exact way to make it more beautiful? Let's get started. Let me select the data, go to insert, go to the chart option and select your desired chart from here. Let me select this one. This is very raw actually. Now we need to change the title. Let me write here day versus sales value, and we have to add the axis. So click on over here, click on the plus sign and click on the axis title. Now let us add here the day and over here add the sales value. Now select the chart, go to home, change the font if you want, change it to Laura, make it bold, increase the font size to 14 or 12. 12 is perfect for me, and change the font color to black color and increase its size like this. We need to add the scale, so let me click on over here, click on right button, go to format axis, go to tick mark and go to measure type and click on outside. Then select this area, go to over here, go to axis option, go to tick mark, go to measure type and click on outside. Now again select the scale, go to over here, go to lines, go to solid line and make it black fill color and increase it white to 2 point, and select this one, go to solid line, make it black fill color and increase it white to 2 point. Now select this one, go to the border, click on solid line and increase it white to 2 point and make it black fill color. If you want to delete the grid line, just click on over here, click the delete button, select this one and click the delete button. If you want to remove the outside border, click on over here, go to border, click on no line. If you want to change the color of the line, select it, go to over here, go to lines. If you want to change the color, select the color from here and change the white. If you want to change the color of this marker, go to marker and change the marker color. Then the marker color also will be changed. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.